National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Hill County in Central Texas, Ellis County in North Central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ferris to near Hillsboro, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waco, Ennis, Hillsboro, Ferris, Palmer, Italy, Bardwell, Alma, Benham, Carl's Corner, Bardwell Lake, Aquila Lake, Garrett, Milford, Bristol, Mertens, Avalon, Irene, Howard, and Boyce. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 363 and 369. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 396. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 266. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for Central and North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.